How much does it cost to replace an airbag? One of the most significant advancements in automotive safety is the use of airbags. 50,457 lives were saved by airbags between 1987 and 2017, and the number has tripled over the year 2024. Before they are involved in a crash, the majority of people don't even consider them. It will be necessary and expensive to replace the airbags in your car if it is involved in a serious accident that causes the airbags to deploy. So, let's learn about the costs to replace an airbag. Replacement of your car airbag will cost you nothing less than $1,500 per airbag, including parts and labor, and that might exceed $6,000 on high-end luxury vehicles. Airbags are expensive, but your car make, model, and year will be required to know the exact current price of your car's airbag. Learn about a car airbag system here. The price to replace an airbag in a vehicle and bring a full airbag system back to working order might differ significantly from case to case. The main cause of this is that no two collisions are exactly alike. In some collisions, the number of airbag system components that were impacted may vary. As a result, until a complete inspection can be completed, it is frequently challenging for a repair facility to provide a particular cost quote for airbag system repair. A person is able to fully access the amount of damage as a result. Due to this, it may be best to analyze each individual case's potential financial implications separately. Airbag Module 1 should budget between $200 and $800 on average for each airbag module or assembly. The cost of labor is not included in this figure, it just covers the cost of parts. Each additional airbag will easily cost between $150 and $300 for installation. This brings the total cost of replacing an airbag module or assembly to between $35 and $1,100 per unit. Crash sensors. To put it mildly, airbag crash sensors are expensive, with parts alone costing between $70 and $350 for each item. One should prepare to spend between $120 and $450 on replacement after adding additional labor costs of $50 to $100. Clock spring. The clock spring of a steering wheel is frequently shattered after airbag deployment. There is no other option but to replace this part as well. The cost of a clock spring ranges from $100 to $250 on average, while installation labor often costs between $100 and $150. Seatbelt pretensioner. A seatbelt pretensioner needs to be manually reset or changed after a collision. It will cost between $150 and $250 to replace each seatbelt. However, it is frequently possible to reset these units for far less money. Airbag Diagnostic (SRS) Unit. The Airbag Diagnostic (SRS) unit for the afflicted vehicle has to be either replaced or manually reset after one or more airbags have been deployed. While having such a unit reset can cost anywhere from $50 to $100, replacement, if necessary, might run anywhere from $500 to $1,000. How long does an airbag replacement take? If you have the necessary skills and equipment, replacing an airbag is typically not a particularly difficult process. One airbag can typically be replaced in 1-2 hours. However, if many airbags need to be replaced, repair periods will be substantially longer. In worst-case scenarios, it may take an entire day to replace all of the airbags in a single car. Does insurance cover airbag replacement? After a collision in which one or more airbags are deployed, a driver's insurance coverage will often fully cover airbag replacement. However, your insurance company must first decide whether or not they will consider your vehicle a total loss before such a replacement or any other repair may take place. No repairs will be undertaken if the decision is ultimately made to total your car. Instead, you will receive a check for what your car was worth before the collision that caused this degree of damage. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.